Hi, brother Jack. This is Michael Hawes. So I just finished my code, and I'm hoping I could um, just maybe add a little bit more to my demonstration points, um, and hopefully that I kind of understand a little bit more about how it's implemented or the coding works. Um, so so real quick, so I'm gonna open my project real quick. So this is so we've kind of gone over the project a little bit. And so here's my setup. So I will load my code real quick. So here it goes. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that was this hopefully you can see this. Um so so yeah, it says hello BJ, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and now it's repeating. So um okay, so let me cancel that real quick. Okay, so I did have a little bit of problems on the subtraction issue over here. So from what I understood how it worked, and let me load it in here because I think that looks a little bit better. So we're going to go edit contents. Okay, so here is the contents in here. So I struggled a little bit right here. So it says F543. So I was doing F, so 15. So when I looked at the subtraction, it said 1, 1, 1, 1, and that's F, so that's 15, so that's F. And then I loaded everything to 5, register 5, and I did 4 minus 3. And then I loaded a register to 7, and I did 3, and then um, and then over here I went 3, 0, 7, 5 for my display, and I was hoping that would get me. So here's the 5 and here's the 7. So this would 7, 5 would be 3, and this should be a 1. And so I thought that should have helped me to display the 3071 for the subtraction. But I found it didn't quite work. It ended up giving me like a semicolon or a colon of some sort. And so so I was a little confused on it, and I tried uh, tried debugging it and stuff, and I just wasn't able to quite get it. So, um, but I did. I think I mean according to my understanding, I think that's how it should work. So it should be able to have the F for the 111, 5 for the register that you're putting it in, and then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So that should be from my understanding, I think that's how that's supposed to work. So um, so anyways, yeah, and then um, so yeah, so I got the hello to work. I got the BJ brother Jack, and this worked well. I had a little bit of struggle on the 3 times 3 is equal to 9, um, but I wasn't sure what to use, so I used a 5. I used the 5 for the operation, so it was 5, and then I times the 3 and 3 together to get 9. So 5 would have been the and symbol, and I knew and had to do with uh, multiplication, but I ended up getting 3 on it a couple times, so I wasn't quite sure if that was the right one. So I did 5 and then a register number and then a 3, 3 to equal 9. Um, so I just needed a little bit of help on this and just a little bit of help on this, and I think I could have completely got it. Um, so, I mean, maybe just 2 small questions, I think I could have easily had it. So, um, but yeah, so it was those things, and then and I think my hardware's fine. So my hardware, just to um, on the hardware side of things. So it was. Let me get there real quick. Oops. Okay, so here's part of my subtraction. So we had this part for my sub. It was connected to my sub input there, and so uh, this is my ALU, and then just to look at it a little bit closer, um, so we'll go look into my adder real quick. So so here's the adder. It's my sub adder, and so I think it was good. I think my hardware is good. Um, and then here's my other subtraction. I could send you the whole file just to make sure. I'm not sure what you all need, but um, or what, but that's kind of where my video's at, or that's where my project's at, and I think I did the full thing. So um, and then here's the rest of it. And I know you've already looked at it, um, so hopefully that looks okay. And then um, yeah, so I think that's where that's at. So thank you so much again, and I'll send you a copy of all of these things right here, with all this, and yeah. So that's yeah. Hopefully I can get a couple more points on the demonstration, and maybe a couple more points on um the other part of or the coding part of the project. So all right. Well, thank you, brother Jack, and um yeah, maybe hopefully we'll see you again. Bye.